Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the "This song is not currently available" error on Instagram. First, know that some songs may not be available in all regions due to copyright restrictions. Try using a different song or audio to see if the issue is isolated to that specific song. If other songs work, it's likely a region restriction. Try searching for a similar song or one with the same vibe that's available in your region. If you find one that works, it may be just that the original song is restricted. Next, check your internet connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can prevent Instagram from properly loading certain features, including music. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if the issue clears up. Another common reason for this error is an outdated app version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if there is an update available. If there is an update available, install it, then try adding the song to your story or reel again. If updating didn't work, try logging out of Instagram and logging back in. To do this, go to your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, tap Settings, scroll down, and tap Logout. After waiting a few moments, log back in and check if the song is now available. Sometimes logging out can refresh your account and fix temporary bugs. Finally, clear cache or reinstall the app. If you are using an Android device, you can clear the Instagram cache. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps, select Instagram, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If you are on an iPhone, you can uninstall and reinstall the app to clear any corrupted data. Once reinstalled, log back in and try using the song again. If none of these steps work, it could be a temporary bug on Instagram's end, and it might be worth waiting for it to clear up. However, following these steps should help you fix the "This song is not currently available" error in most cases. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the "This song is not currently available" error on Instagram and get back to creating awesome stories and reels. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.